Hey guys, my name is Stephanie and today we get to do an outside video on this glorious day that we're having. This video is going to be a little different. I'm kind of starting at the end here and then we'll work our way back. I wanted to talk about the area that you see around me here. You might have seen this a little bit last year if you're subscribed to the channel. It's where I had those very big motherwort bushes that were covered in the bees and where I was making the propagation plots for few shaded flowers and that kind of thing. So we decided that this year we want to kind of separate our vegetable garden into two sections. The section that we had last year, and then I want to plant a bunch over here. The soil seemed really nice here. There was a massive tarp down in the middle of here that had really good black soil underneath it, which I'm going to show you in a minute, us removing that tarp and how it all went. And basically this was all grass and sod that I've been working on digging up over little spurts through the end of winter, beginning of spring. When we kind of had those flash spring days, I'd come out with my son over there for a couple hours, dig up what we could. Okay, so this is a very beat up, very old tarp that's been out here pinned to the ground with all kinds of stuff growing through it. So part of me sees this failing miserably and going very, very badly, but we're gonna give it a shot because it's a lot easier than the alternative. So, let me try this. Really well. I managed to get it all the way out there. We brought it probably about 3/4 of the way back across the property. There's a big pit out there that we use for dumping weeds and sticks and brush and all that good stuff. Fortunately, I couldn't film the whole way because trying to hold my son, do the tractor, all that good stuff, it just gets to be too much. But so I'm glad that that's finally out of here and that worked out. I've kind of been staring at it for quite a few days now and not getting it done. So that's done, which is awesome. Now I've got a few more piles of the sod to pick up and I'm going to bring out probably to the same dumping pit. We have one other pit I might put it in. I haven't decided yet, but so I'm going to get this stuff picked up and into the tractor and we'll move that out. Yeah.
Now you gotta put it in it. You gotta put it in. Don't take it out. You gotta put it in. Yeah, in. Yeah, I kind of got to get where you are, though. We can fill up that side.
I basically got it as cleared out as I'm going to get it because past the point, I think it's on camera there, where I stopped digging up the sod is basically shade all summer long. It only gets sun for about an hour or two a day, so it's not good enough for planting vegetables. So the plan is to plant it in this whole area. I've got decisions to make because the soil here is, actually if I can get some, that's where the tarp was. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's very nice, it's very loose, it's much darker and much less sandy. It's more on the loam side than the sandy side compared to what we have in the other garden over there, which is why I wanted to start planting here. I can definitely tell that the previous owners of this house, they probably brought in about 6 inches of soil and put it over this place, which is why it's so nice and why I wanted to plant here. But when I started digging down, it's very similar to the other side of the yard. It's very, very rocky. So the decisions I haven't made yet is whether to leave it as is and kind of leave that layer of nice soil, even though it's very, very rocky underneath. I've been digging up what I can, or if I want to go ahead and bring the tiller out and just mix it together, till it up, kind of turn the whole soil into a semi-nice soil, and then that'll loosen up some of the rocks as well and get me down to those that I can dig those out. Okay, you guys, I know that was a little kind of all over the place video, but I wanted to show you what we've been working on out here. Sorry, my son is taking off, 18-month-olds, in 2 seconds they're gone. But if you like this video, definitely please hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. And always think about subscribing, because we'll be sharing everything that we're doing, especially with the spring and summer coming up. We'll have a ton going on. But otherwise, I appreciate all your support. I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day and your week. We'll see you on the next one. God bless, and bye-bye. Where are you going?